Good morning, my friends. Happy Sunday and happy holidays. I'm almost ready. I just need to put my makeup on. But before I do so, I want to go ahead and show you. This is something very rare because I usually take like about 3 to 4 days to get done with all my decorations. Mostly my Christmas tree is very elaborate. I put a lot into it, and then put in all the decorations where I actually film my sit-down videos, and I actually did it in 1 day. I know, I'm feeling proud of myself. So let's go downstairs, lit up a candle, and let me show you my Christmas tree and all my decorations. These ornaments, I actually made them with my kids. And in fact, each of them have our name on the back. I know, they're so cute. I love to do this kind of crafting. And every year I get at least one more ornament. I know there are a ton of them in here. And I in fact collect some ornaments, like this one for example is from Capri. Then I have some ornaments from Peru. I also have ornaments like for the first Christmas of my youngest daughter. We definitely cannot forget to have a little llama. But now let me take you where I do all my recordings, well, my sit-down recordings, and let me show you my background because I have changed a little bit of everything. This is my little Christmas tree. I think she's so cute, tiny, but very special. I had put a few decorations here and there, also right here at the bottom shelf. I do have other decorations here as well. And actually, I want to unbox this little package that I got from Florasis. Sorry, my friends, we got interrupted. I started to put some makeup on to get going because today is a short day for my youngest daughter in terms of school. So I need to go and pick her up, but I still have a ton of things to do. So I'm just going to finish with my makeup. What about that? Friends, how is it going with the holidays? Is it going good for you guys? Are you having any plans? Are you staying in town, or are you planning to leave for a trip? Honestly, we are staying in town. It's such a busy season for us, and for me it's still really busy because although I said, I think a couple vlogs ago, that I'm finally done with the wedding season, it doesn't really work like that. Because while I'm done with the actual weddings for 2023, I'm receiving inquiries and doing proposals and doing tasting meetings with the clients for 2024, getting all that organization going. So there's still a lot going on during this season aside to the holiday parties. So I still have a work overload, but there's nothing to complain about. I'm actually very grateful to have the job that I have and to have a job. To have work. I'm just so grateful for that. Honestly, I am, to meet so many amazing people, amazing couples that are starting a new life, being married. It is such a rewarding and beautiful type of job, the one that I do. And also being at the restaurants brings me so much joy because I get to meet so many people from different avenues, different places that they come to visit. It's just so nice. In fact, a couple of weeks ago, I got to meet Very Pale. He came to eat to our restaurant. I'm sure you know who he is, but if you don't know, he's an actor, and he actually played Duty in the movie Grease, part of the T-Bears. I know, it was so emotional to meet him because I remember watching Grease back when I was in Peru, and that movie is a classic. But the greatest surprise of all is, well, once he told me that it wasn't the first time that he was at the restaurant, it was just the first time that I met him, which he was like, okay, so surprising and so happy that it wasn't his first time at the restaurant. But the best surprise of all is how humble he comes across. Just Such a tender heart, very kind gentleman, super sweet. I obviously didn't want to interrupt him while he was eating. Funny fact, the person who brought him for the first time and then the second time is a Peruvian lady that happened to have studied at my school. I know, what a small world. Can you believe that? To me, that day was amazing, meeting her, meeting him. And you know what? Because of the nature of my job, not only the restaurants, but I also have done countless events and weddings for actors, actresses, film directors. I have also catered events for the Peruvian country in San Francisco, in Anaheim, the food and wine in Aspen, Colorado too, representing the country of Peru. So I have come across many famous people, and I have to say that most of them, they are very kind and approachable, and they are not, like up on their head. I think the only time that I came across someone that wasn't approachable, I don't even remember her name, but she wasn't like a main actress either, and she was quite annoying with everybody. She wasn't a bride, obviously. She was just a guest at a wedding. And the staff and the vendors, they all get excited to see this very well-known actress or actor, right? And they are not asking for anything, no pictures, nothing of that, but just the matter to be there, right? And then on this specific case of this actress, to see that she was just not approachable, and she wanted it to be, seems like, the center of attention at a wedding of her friend. It was like, really? So at that point, all the vendors who were like, okay, let's just do not go around her because she's just wanna be the center of attention, and that's not fair for the bride. But anyhow, friends, we were not talking about that. We were talking about like how busy I am and how I need to get going right here and finish my makeup ASAP. I love this palette. If you're looking for a nudie neutral palette that has some warm tones, some neutral tones too, this is the way to go. Top a little bit of this right here. So today I also have a meeting with a person that is going to help us with the social media for the restaurants and the catering, because I have been doing it all of my own and it's really tough for me. Now, this person is not going to have anything to do with my YouTube channel. I do not have any help right here. I do my videos myself. I do the post-production, editing, uploading, creating the description box, creating my links. I do absolutely everything here on YouTube myself. That being said, I want to say thank you so much for all your support. You are the sweetest to me. And talking about post-production, this afternoon I need to edit a couple videos that I'm sure by the time that I'm uploading this video, those are already up. Okay, lipstick. I adore these compact lipstick from Florasis. They are just so beautiful, so unique, so pretty. And wait and see. I mean, this is a perfect nude, but I also love the embossing, which, by the way, each of the embossing of these palettes and lipsticks, they do tell a story. Oh my gosh, friends, sorry if you hear the long mowing, but gardeners are out doing their job right when I'm filming. That's reality. And let's go to where we left off to unbox this baby and put us even more into the holiday spirit, because Florasis, they sent me their very first advent calendar. So pretty. Look at the presentation. Very sturdy. More like a case. Oh, 12 days of beauty. Okay, let's see what's in the first box. Oh my gosh. So excited. Oops. Ooh. Voila. What's this? Look how pretty. A travel size of the cleansing oil. My friends, this has become my favorite cleansing oil to remove my makeup. Also, sometimes I use it in the morning, like today morning. I actually used it because whenever I use retinol, I like to cleanse my face, but I find out that a cleansing oil, it's a lot more soothing and calming for my skin, and it doesn't leave any residue. It doesn't leave my skin oily. If you have an experience to clean your face with a cleansing oil, do not be afraid. Let's open the second door. Let's see what's in here. Oh, okay. This is a full-size item. Another of my favorite products from Florasis, and it is the brow pencil. And lucky me, it is actually the shade that I use for my brows. This is perfect. Not only comes with the brow pencil, but it also comes with a refill. Let's go to door number 3. Oh, and this is loose setting powder, and is also travel size. It does have a little bit of a pink hue if you want that little bit of brightening effect too. Door number 4. Let's see what we got here. Another full-size item. And it's actually a lip gloss in the shade G301. Oh, that's beautiful. Like a burgundy kind of tone. Door number 5. Seems like it's another full-size product too. Oh, yes. Is this a liquid eyeliner? Wait a second. Oh, yes, it is. And look at the tip. Is so fine. Now I'm getting even more excited because I'm gonna get to try some other products that I haven't tried from Florasis. Let's go for door number 6, and it seems like it may be also another full-size product. Let's see, what is that right here? Oh, a smooth satin liquid lipstick. All right, let's see the shade. It is a terracotta kind of tone, perfect for this season too. These shades are perfect to give that pop on the lips. Let's go to door number 7, and this looks big. Let's see, what is it? Okay, the Twin Lotus Relief Luminous Glow Highlighter. Stunning. Look at the embossing of the lotus flower. I mean, look at the details of this embossing. I'm amazed. And this is a gorgeous champagne tone. The compact is not super heavy, but it's substantial. It has this protector right here. Let's just take it out. A little ASMR. That's so beautiful. Do you see? Oh my god, do you see how it changed the color? It just has a flip. This is just getting better and better. Let's go to number 8. Okay, let's take it out. What is it? This is one of their floral dewy porcelain lipsticks. This is porcelain. Look at this. Look at this packaging. Heavyweight, luxurious. Even within the porcelain, there is some embossing. It looks more like a brocade. Gorgeous. What an elegant gift. Oh my gosh. The shade. And the embossing too. Wow. Simply wow. I'm just speechless. Let's go for the door number 9. What is this? A little box. This is the ginseng cleansing balm in a travel size. Perfect for traveling, perfect for commuting too. Let's go to door number 10. And let's see. This is one product from Florasis that I had been eyeing for a long time. Their loose powder brush. Oh my gosh, full size. This is not travel size. And this is so soft. My gosh, it feels like a little bunny tail. Oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. Oh my goodness. First time that I'm gonna try a brush from Florasis. I should have done my makeup after opening the advent calendar. My goodness. Okay, door number 11. It is their lip mask. Love the packaging. So stunning, so luxurious. Let's go for the last door, number 12. I cannot wait to see. This is another full-size product. Oh my. Look. How precious. No. It is the Flowery Gaze eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh. This is a perfect neutral nude palette. You have here two matte shades, one that seems more of a satin shade and one metallic shade. No way. So this advent calendar actually came with 9 full-size products and just 3 travel size. And let me check the price. Okay, regular price $272, but when I'm uploading this video, they are still running their Black Friday Cyber Monday deal. So this entire box is $239. That is a steal. If you count just 3 to 4 products at retail price, oh, the value right here is just beyond impressive. This will make of a gorgeous gift for someone that loves makeup, beauty, and someone very special in your life, or even yourself. If you want to discover the brand, this is a great way to do it. I highly suggest you to take advantage of their extended Black Friday sale because I think it's just today and even perhaps tomorrow. I will be leaving all the details on the description box below, the links, and also my ongoing code, which is not as good as the deal that you will get right now getting it on the sale. I want to say a huge thank you to Florasis for sending this over to me, my very first advent calendar of this holiday season, and for working with me on this video. Thank you so much to Florasis. And my friends, I gotta go. I need to pick up my youngest daughter and I need to have a couple meetings with a couple brides. Just get going with the day. I did a couple videos, including this video too. So let's go. Before I head out of the house, I need to approve a reel for one of my restaurants. So let's see. That's another thing that I have to do right here. Let's see how this goes. Perfect. Approved. Pretty much everything that I needed to do except of editing the videos. That is something that takes me hours, so I'm just gonna keep going. That's the one thing that I wish to have, an editor. That would be amazing. One day it will happen. In the meantime, it's just only me. But anyhow, friends, I think I'm gonna wrap up this vlog right here. But before I head off, I want to remind you of Florasis extended Black Friday deal. You don't want to miss out, mostly on that advent calendar. Friends, 9 full-size products and only 3 travel size at that price to discover the brand. It's such an amazing deal and a beautiful gift. Anyhow, friends, thank you so much for watching, for being here, and I see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.